Hi. Okay, so today's video is obviously my next... Oh my god, I haven't actually got that many more to do. I've got 4 left. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Oh, 3. I've only got 3 left. Aww. Anyway, hi. We're doing Sagittarius today. I'm excited. I like how this look turned out. I really like it, actually. We've gone very bold. We've gone very adventurous, very out there. Just like Sagittarius is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're Sagittarius, let me know. We support them. If you want to see how I did this whole makeup look, see what I use, and talk about Sagittariuses, and subscribe if you want to. Give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Okay, this is what we've gone for. We've gone peacock mermaid kind of vibes for today. So this is obviously what we're going to be doing. Takes a lot of blending, does kind of take a while, but it's fine. I'm going to be using the Carnival palette from Stacey Marie and Be Perfect. So I'm just going to start showing you how I did it. Right, let's do the face. That was fun. That was an adventure. So for face primer, I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip face primer. It's one of my favourite primers. It's time to talk about Sagis now. So I was really excited to do this one. I was more excited to do this one now than I used to be, because I used to be a fan of Sagittarius, is not gonna lie, just because of my experience with Sagis that I have known or that I do know. Then not recently, but like a few months ago, was it a few months ago? I think it was, actually. I think it's been a couple of months now. I then found out that my rising sign is actually Sagittarius, so I've learnt to love them. For my experience with Sagittarius is, oh, I also have my Sagi tattoo, of course, thanks to my sister, for my rising sign, obviously. So, okay, wait, let me just do the foundation and then we can talk. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Peach Perfect matte foundation on top. My experience with Sagittarius is, I feel like they're one of those signs that I feel like you either love Sagis or you either just hate them. I feel like it's struggle to find a balance in between. I used to not really like them because I don't know, I don't want to offend anyone. I mean, for me, the Sagittariuses that I have known, for one, I've dated a Sagittarius and he was a piece of shit, so for me, I find like I can deal with Sagittarius girls way easier than guys. Like, I have a Sagittarius guy friend as well, and I feel like I can only handle him in small amounts. Like, he's they just get under my skin, and to be fair, I feel like if I'm around even Sagittarius girls, I feel like if I'm around them too much, I'm just a bit like, stop. Like, I need like a break in between them because they are a lot. And look, I'm a Cancer, okay? A lot of my birth chart is water, so I feel like me and fire signs anyway, they're just a lot for me to deal with, I find. But I love them. I love like the traits and everything. I'm proud to have a Sagittarius rising because Sagittarius risings are all about like freeing yourself and being more adventurous and stuff like that. For concealer, I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. I don't want to get carried away like talking, so that's why I'm like doing a bit of my makeup and then talking. That's it. So the situation with the eyeshadow. So we've gone with blue because the birthstone for... Okay, it's either November or December. I think it's December. The December birthstone is turquoise, so that's why I've gone with this kind of blue situation. And then for the actual Sagittarius sign, the main colours are like purple for like passion and stuff like that. That kind of vibe. So it is a very purple vibe that I've gone with. And then I obviously just needed the pink to kind of blend into it. So yeah, that's why we've gone with this. I wasn't originally actually going to do the blue. I was just going to do it very pink and purple. But then when I was like looking in my book, then I saw obviously the birthstone is turquoise, so I thought let's go with a bit of blue. And then I wanted to like wing it out and kind of like extend the eye a bit more because obviously the symbol for Sag is the archer, which is like an arrow, so I kind of wanted to... I don't know. I can't explain it. I don't know. I just did it. Okay, to set all that, I'm going to use the Halo Glow setting powder from e.l.f. I love this. I really, really like it. I've been using it since I tested it the other day. And I'm actually not going to do anything on my lower lash line today. I know I usually forget or I don't really do much, but I just want it to be really, really sharp, the eyeshadow. Trying to get those arrow vibes, like I said. Okay, while that's baking under there, I'm going to do bronzer. Okay, I'm going to use the Fenty bronzer in Private Island, my fave. I hope I didn't offend anyone when I was just like talking about them before. You guys are a lot, you know you're a lot. But I still like Sagittarius because I like all the signs, okay? With most signs, I feel like people who are like, I feel like the signs kind of differ with ages as well. And obviously, the older you get, you become more like your rising sign. So obviously I get that people who are older obviously become less like their sun sign, and then obviously they'll act more like their rising sign. Like Leos, for example. Leos are very, you know, all about me, and then they love the attention, all that kind of situation. But I feel like that's mainly like younger Leos and stuff, because the only Leo that I actually know is a lady that I work with. She's a lot older and she's so cute. She actually acts more like a Cancer, to be fair, so I can see her having like a Cancer rising or something like that. Yeah, I feel like everyone's kind of different with age, but the thing I've noticed about Sagittarius is that no matter what age they are, I feel like they're always very, very, very Sagittarius. Because I know like a lot, I probably know quite a few Sagittariuses actually. Okay, while I'm talking, I'm literally getting carried away talking. I'm going to use the So Retrograde blush from Colourpop, this one here. And I'm going with an orange one because obviously the other Sagittarius obviously goes over from November to December. So the November birthstone is topaz, so that's why I've done a bit of orange and yellow. I don't know if you can see it in the inner corner. I need to go over that because it's kind of blended away, but that's why I wanted a bit of orange and yellow, so we're going with that. So we kind of got like topaz-y kind of vibe. What was I saying? But yeah, that's what I was saying, that I feel like Sagittarius is probably one of the signs that I know probably quite a lot of. I have like 2 friends. I have an auntie that's a Sagittarius. I have a cousin that's a Sagittarius. I've got someone that I work with. She's a bit older. She is also a Sagittarius. So I feel like I know 2 Sagittariuses at work actually. So I feel like I know a bunch of different Saggies that are like... Are you fucking kidding me? feel like I know a load of different Sagittariuses that are like different ages, and like they all just act the same though. Like no matter how old they are or like young, they all act the same. So that's what I find really funny, is that no matter how old they are, they always just act Saggy. I fucking love it because it's like got a nice glow. Who is doing construction? Fuck off. For highlight, I'm going to use Champagne Pop from Becca. No reasoning, I just wanted to use it because I haven't used it in so long. I kind of just want to do something just nude just because the eyes are very bold. So I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. I don't know how you say that. And then I'm going to use my Hourglass lip gloss in Unreal. This is like my favourite gloss. Jeez, this doesn't look how I was planning on it looking, but I am fine with that. Has this not been in the middle for the entire video? Oh, that's kind of annoying. Oh well. I hope there's no Virgos watching this because they would be pissed if they saw that. Okay, so that is it. This is Sag done. I think this is actually my favourite one that I've done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a Sag, let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the look. Obviously, I literally have to wipe this eyeshadow off because I need to go to work. Imagine I walked in work like this. I'm not Sagittarius enough to walk into work like this, honestly, no. So I need to go wipe this off and leave. So thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well if you want. If you don't, it's fine. And I will see you in my next video.